Hello everyone, Chikwell is here. Okay guys, so right now I want to take you to the magical spot in Gianyar, Bali called Sari Timbul Glass Factory. This is one of the most viral destinations from TikTok, and many people say that this place is like a fairy tale. And yeah, I agree with that, it is true. This place is like a mini garden with the incredible view, but actually it's a workshop for glass production. For the entrance fee, you must pay 50,000 per one person, and to be honest, it's too pricey for me as a local tourist. But don't worry guys, because you can take a picture in any spot with the professional photographer who already knows the settings. And because this place is really Instagrammable, don't forget to bring your costume that matches with the concept. If you want to know more about this place, you can also check their Instagram at ST Glass Factory. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my mini vlog. I hope you enjoy, and don't forget also always support my channel with subscribe, like and comment down below. See you guys on the next vlog. The place you want to know, hope to go is here because it's about tourism.